ViewMate Essentials is a computer-aided manufacturing software used by designers and engineers to get their design data ready for PCB fabrication and assembly. Let's check some of its main features. Gerber and drill file editor. ViewMate Essentials includes Pentalogix standard Gerber editor. The editor is a specialized software tool for viewing, analyzing, and modifying Gerbers, which will allow you to edit data like copper, solder mask, silkscreen, and drill files. For example, is a pad too close to the edge? Use the measure tool, and then you can easily move it or modify its size. PCB Layer Organizer. The Layer Organizer automatically identifies, renames, and arranges PCB layers to match the correct order and naming conventions for manufacturing. The Layer Organizer streamlines this process by automatically identifying layer types from Gerber and drill data, allowing easy renaming to match a manufacturer's standards, reordering layers to match the physical PCB stackup, grouping related layers for easier management. By converting raw design exports into a precise, production-ready layer format, the Layer Organizer improves consistency, minimizes errors, and speeds up file preparation. SmartDFM. ViewMate Essentials includes SmartDFM with custom rule checks. A very useful tool not only for manufacturers who want to check customers' files, but also for designers and engineers who want to go from raw files to ready-to-manufacture files. Some of the features and benefits when using SmartDFM include: validate minimum trace width and spacing, verify minimum annular ring for copper pads and vias, create a DFM set for any factory's parameters, validate drill hole size and placement, check solder mask clearance, confirm copper-to-edge clearance, verify via and pad alignment. PCB Navigator. The latest and newest tool from Pentalogix is the perfect tool to visually search and inspect components using only fabrication files. PCB Navigator adds intelligence to static Gerber files by integrating them with the bill of materials and XY data, turning them into an interactive, searchable environment for inspection, troubleshooting, and documentation. PCB Navigator allows users, whether they are designers, manufacturers, assemblers, or brokers, to identify and locate specific components directly on the PCB layout, cross-reference part numbers, footprints, and placement coordinates, verify design details before manufacturing and assembly, navigate between physical PCB locations. ViewMate Essentials is the perfect tool for designers, engineers, and manufacturers to get data ready for PCB fabrication and PCB assembly.